I'm not very good at twisks off, but I'll give it a go. Oh, I did it. Look at that. Surprised me.
We went to Mass Street Soda and we picked out 4 flavors that we thought would be interesting, and we're gonna give them a try today. So this is spruce beer, not real beer. It smells like a pine tree, which is really interesting.
Oh, it smells very woodsy. Okay, I like the bottle though.
It like really smells like Christmas. It's kind of refreshing.
Yeah, that tastes kind of weird.
It's kind of bland. I expected worse. Got some Ramune, is that right?
Ramune?
So oh gosh, I do not speak Japanese either. Ramune?
I used to drink these at Japanese restaurants, so this brings back some good memories. Oh, it smells really good.
It smells really nice. It's plum flavored and it kind of has like a cherry scent.
It's kind of peachy.
Yeah, that's good. It reminds me of like a melted cherry snow cone almost.
It's kind of got like a tangy flavor to it, like reminds me of like a candy. So this is the candied bacon cream soda. Never had cream soda before, and I'm very un-American and I'm not a fan of bacon. So this should be interesting.
I don't like cream soda, but I like bacon, so who knows, right?
And it smells like, I think it smells like bacon-y, but it smells like really maple-y too, which makes sense. I don't know what candied bacon smells like.
I'm scared.
You can like really taste the bacon when you actually swallow it. It's like kind of an aftertaste.
Last one is a fungal fruit. It says totally gross soda on the top, so it's not really promising.
Kind of weary about drinking something that has the word fungal in the name.
It's the best one I've had.
Yeah, that's refreshing. I could like drink that at a poolside.
It's definitely not gross, I can tell you that.
I think the Japanese one was probably my favorite. Also because it's like a nostalgic thing for me, like I used to drink those all the time, so that was my favorite, and my least favorite was definitely the candied bacon one.
I think out of the 4, I probably liked the fungal fruit best. I did think that the spruce beer was really interesting, just because I'd never had anything like that before.